Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart MultiClad Pro Cookware Set. It happens to be 7 pieces. It's a nice collection of starter pieces to get you going in the kitchen. The nice thing about this cookware is it's very sturdy and extremely efficient. You'll notice on the outside it's brushed stainless steel finish. That's something I really like. And on the upper part here where the rim is, you'll see it has an accent of highly polished stainless steel. The inside is also polished, and that aids in food release. The other nice thing about it is, like I said, stainless on the inside, stainless on the outside, but in between here, it's sandwiched all the way up through the whole pan with aluminum, and that's really great for heat conductivity. The other thing is you'll notice that the handle is riveted on, and the handle has a nice slender profile, and it has a nice grip. It has a groove here on the top, which allows you to stick your thumb in there to hold on to it. Has a hole in the top so that you can hang your cookware if you prefer. And the other thing is that you'll notice here these thinner pieces before you get into the meat of the handle. This actually aids in the heat not being transferred from the pan to the handle, so it stays cool when you're cooking. So that's the skillet. And let me show you the lids. The lids here have a nice high arch handle. It's also riveted on, so it's really secure. You can see that from the inside. Brushed inside, but highly polished on the outside. It's got a nice tight fit. And you'll also notice that the rim here is tapered. So when you want to pour off any sauces or any pan juices after you're cooking, that makes it really easy and it won't drip. The other thing that's really nice is that this cookware is so versatile. It can go from the refrigerator right to the stovetop if you're reheating anything, and then directly into the dishwasher if you prefer. If not, you can wash it by hand. So it's a nice collection of all the things that you need to get started: 2 saucepans, a nice sized skillet, a large stock pot for making soups and sauces and chilies and large batches of food. So there you have it, the MultiClad Cookware Set by Cuisinart.